Today we discuss about the four-stroke engine. Let's see. Four-stroke petrol engine. Have the four-stroke. Their names is section stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. This four-stroke combination is called the cycle of engine. In the first stroke, we see the valves. In this stroke, inlet valve will be open and exhaust valve will be closed. These volume divided into two parts, first and second. First is clearance volume and second is swept volume. What is the meaning of clearance volume and what is the meaning of swept volume? Clearance volume is the main value for open the valve. If we have no margin, so our piston we connect with the valves. So by this we have a some margin, so it's called the clearance volume. After that, inside we have swept volume. Swept volume is the between TDC and BDC. What is the meaning of TDC and BDC? TDC is the top dead center and BDC is the bottom dead center. We can say it is the largest distance of crank of piston called TDC and the smallest distance piston and crank is called BDC. They are the namings. After that, at the top we see this spark plug. They are valve, inlet, outlet, spark plug. After that, clearance volume. After that, swept volume. This is the piston and that is the crank. Now we tell you about the four-stroke. In the first end, we see about the section stroke. What happened when this stroke will be start? In the first sense, we take valve. In this stroke, section stroke, exhaust valve will be closed and inlet valve will be open. By the inlet valve, the mixture of petrol and air into the volume. That volume is the combination of clearance volume and swept volume. By this stroke, the piston running from TDC to BDC, and this is all full by the mixture of petrol and air. After that, second stroke. In this second stroke, both valves will be closed because it is the compression stroke. In this compression stroke, no leakage. So by this, the all valves are closed, and the piston running from BDC to TDC, and the whole mixture will be compressed. So it's called the compression stroke. After that, we tell you about the third stroke. Its name is power stroke, and you can say it is the line stroke, and remaining are called dead stroke. In this stroke, piston will be running from TDC to BDC by the spark plug. When the spark plugs start, their ignition point are starting and all the gas volumes will be increased. So by the power, piston running from TDC to BDC, and both valves are closed. After that, we see about the exhaust stroke. When the mixture is burned, their gases will be released, and by this realization, the piston running from BDC to TDC and inlet valve will be closed and exhaust valve will be open. So the all smoke by the exhaust valve will be exhaust. There is the totally 4 stroke of a petrol engine. In this, we see about the stroke and a cycle. What is meaning of stroke and what is the meaning of a cycle? Stroke is the running point of TDC to BDC of piston or BDC to TDC of a piston. It's called the one stroke. So we call them 4 stroke because the piston running in the fourth sense. In the first stroke running from TDC to BDC, first stroke. In the second, BDC to TDC is the second stroke. In the third, TDC to BDC, and in the fourth, BDC to TDC. So the one running of a piston is called the stroke. When its combination is called cycle. We can say all stroke a unique combination is called the cycle of a petrol engine. In this sense, we tell about the valve. Valves are in the 3 forms, in the first, second and third. In which time the valve open before the time, and the second after time, before time, after time, and both valve will be open. These things have a unique name. In the first, when the valve open before the time, it's called the. So their naming will be when the valve open before the time, it's called lead, and after the time, it's called lag. And when the both valves open at the same time, it's called overlap. These things at the exhaust stop. When the exhaust stop, it's in his last form. Exhaust valve will be open, and for some time inlet valve also will be open. This time called overlap of a valve. So we tell about you in the second sense. The valve open before the time, it's called lead. After the time, lag. And both valve open at the same time, it's called overlap. Now tell me about the crank and its rotation. In the first stop, crank rotate 180 degree, and the second stop also 180 degree, In the third stroke 180 degree and the fourth stroke also in 180 degree. We know in the one rotation have 360 degree. So two combination is one revolution and other is one revolution. So we get in the one cycle crank rotate 2 in 4 stroke engine. In 4 stroke engine, crank rotate 2 rounds in the first half, in the second half, in third half and the fourth half. So the rotation of crank 2, crank combination 2 K, they have a unique rotation between crank and cam because it is in the 2:1 sense. It means when the crank rotate 2 round, came only 1 round. Are you know about this? Why they do this? 2:1. I tell you about this. Why it is also in 2:1? Why? See at the bar. Only in 2 stroke, first and the fourth. Any valve will be open. In between stroke, both valve will be closed. So the uses of cam to open the valve, and valve will be open in only 2 stroke, and 2 stroke rotation will be half and half. They have one rotation. So we can say crank and cam rotation ratio is 2:1.